Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: your CCRIS ID, the email and phone on file, and a secure browser. Once ready, log into CCRIS and navigate directly to security, then multi-factor authentication. Don't detour. Start the reactivation process by selecting Reactivate or Reset MFA. You do this now so the system can validate your current contact methods. Make sure to keep your phone nearby for verification codes, and to note any backup codes the system displays for later use. Once you've initiated reactivation, pick your verification method: SMS, email, or an authenticator app, and follow the prompts. If you pick SMS or email, check the message and type the one-time code exactly as shown. These expire fast, so act promptly. If you choose an authenticator app, scan the QR or copy the key into the app and enter the time-based code. Make sure to confirm the new device or method in CCRIS, so the system records the change and issues fresh backup codes. To finish, confirm that CCRIS shows MFA as active and securely store any backup or recovery codes provided. Treat them like passwords. Then log out and log back in to test the new configuration so you're not locked out later. If a code fails, pause and retry with a fresh code. Confirm device time sync if using an app, and only then use recovery codes. If problems persist, contact CCRIS support with your ID handy so they can verify identity and complete reactivation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.